just pitched outside leg.
Again, another big appeal. Spot on. She's bowled a 5. She often bowls 10 on the bounce.
And right through, yep, flat line, thank you. Ready for ball tracking when you are. I have pitching in line, impact and umpire's call on the not out, so I'm going to go back on field, thank you.
Down the pitch, finds the gap, first boundary of the 100. Same again, what about it this time? Still no. And immediately Lauren Winfield-Hill says, I'm looking at that.
Okay, here it comes, ball going through, play me through, right through, flat line all the way through, no bat involved, ready for ball tracking, thank you. Decision was not out, pitching in line, impact is in line, and the ball is hitting the wickets. I'm going to go back on field to see.
Shot, great shot. She's timed that sweetly. We have the first 6 of this year's 100. Cordelia Griffith has nailed that. Slower ball, that's been dispatched. This could well be a free hit coming up. Was it over waist high? Down the pitch, which is Brave with the keeper up. And fortune favours the Brave because she has hit it towards the grandstand for 6. And beautifully timed. Really timed over wide mid-off. That is an excellent end to the 5. A 6 followed by a 4. It is 38 for 1.
Confident use of the feet. However, they finally find a breakthrough. Paige Goldfield takes a nice catch on the boundary. Got into a good position, and it's Smale with a wicket.
Yeah, good piece of bowling. Just held it up ever so slightly.
Big appeal. Quite confident as well from the keeper.
Foot is down now. Yeah, okay, I've made my decision.
Winfield-Hill saying to her, what size is your shoe, I think is what she asked, and I think she said a 9. She said, oh, they don't make a small Harris, do they? Straight she goes, showing her power here at Lord's. She has plenty of it.
Yeah, and it doesn't take her long to get into the action. That strike rate of 150 you mentioned.
Now she goes leg side and finds the gap as well. Oh! Was there a little bit of turn there for Wellington? They were crying for a catch, but it's not going to happen. This is excellent from Griffith. Spoke about her power. Leg side.
Nicely placed. Hit hard, but doesn't find the gap, but finds the boundary somehow. A little bit of luck falling the way of Grace Harris. And again, this time more leg side. Well, again, we'll find the boundary.
A jip in the dugout for sure.
Nicely played. Again, just finding the gap leg side. Firmly, and firmly enough all the way. Grace Harris doing Grace Harris things. A boundary hitter.
Rattling along.
Little flatter that time and hit very, very hard, and we'll go for another boundary. Just nudged away, that'll do. Grace Harris says 1 is fine. 50, brilliant 50. What a 50 to start off the women's. Yeah, well done.
Timed and gets past Marizan Cap on the boundary.
Well, yes.
And if Harris gets through, which she does, that will be the first 50 in the 100 for Cordelia Griffith. 28 deliveries. Muscled leg side, there's some big blows, that's gone all the way. This is a serious partnership. 99 in just 50 deliveries. Again towards mid-off this time, it does carry. Gardner with the catch at long off, they needed that, the Invincibles.
Yeah, good catch, timely wicket for the Invincibles.
Up and over, that is one of the hardest shots in the game. Into out, over wide mid-off. Drags leg side. And that has gone a long way over. Back-to-back sixes for Harris. Reverse scoop. And everything she does brilliantly today. Same again, exactly the same again. That is over long on yet again. This is brilliant striking from Grace Harris. Scoop off the glove, I reckon that's out, it is. Short, pulled hard. It will only be a single, that was a good last 5 for Marizanne Kapp. She started with a good 10. In between, the innings has belonged to Cordelia Griffith and Grace Harris.
Owen Morgan put up his finger in the pod, and so did the umpire. Early wicket. A little chat though.
Straight, always looking to bring it back to Lauren Winfield-Hill. Yeah, look straight, was straight. That looks as if it's going to be crashing into middle and leg. Keeps reminding me.
It was desperately needed for the Oval Invincibles. Charlie Knott can't stop it. Straight she goes. These two get going, they'll be very hard to stop.
Sarah Glenn. Beautifully played.
Yeah, she's a real talent, isn't she?
Oh, like that. Just like that. Well caught by Nasser Hussain, skidding on. Absolutely plumb.
Yeah, going back to a full-length delivery. She must know Sarah Glenn gets a lot of her wickets like that.
In the air, but through the field, beautifully played to the boundary for 4.
Catch it!
What an excellent shot that is from Marizanne Kapp. Nick Knight.
Yeah, if anyone can. Regular cricket.
Oh, down the ground again in the same area for Meg Lanning. She really has just peppered that area over extra cover. Another good shot.
Well, we've seen some brilliant shots throughout the day.
Yeah, we'll look to correct that over. Straight line to the stumps, just there. But anticipated and picked off beautifully from Lanning, who is now on the charge. Skipper into the attack. This has gone high and straight over Long On's head for a 6. Good length, you would imagine. No, goes full and is met with the sweep shot. It's found the gap. Back-to-back boundaries here for the Oval Invincibles.
What a great sight for the women's game. 2 of the very best that have played the game.
Has to be there for each player. Well, sweep shot again. Cordelia Griffith. No, can do nothing. Just sees it sail over her right hand for another boundary.
But a massive moment in the game if she can make the breakthrough. Oh, they've thrown the wrong end. Absolutely mix up. Yeah, mix up. Somehow they got away with it. Shouldn't have done. 50.
straight away advancing is Cup. One of her strengths is going straight for Oval Invincibles. Izzy Wong has the last say. It's a thickish edge, and it'll be profitable for the Oval Invincibles. And a wry smile as well from Lanning. Using her feet, went even wider this time around, did not. And just enough on it.
Hold your leg, Charlie, hold your leg.
Lanning eyes out the boundary, leg side, and clears it easily.
Yeah, beautiful striking.
She wants more. She will get more. Now she's going towards the off stump. Lanning is putting pressure on the defending champions with this innings. There are 10 balls to go, 27 required. Lanning has scored a lot of runs leg side, but not this time around. That could be the end of the hope for Oval Invincibles as Wong is back amongst the wickets in the 100. Schofield, she still believes. The defending champions have been absolutely brilliant today in so many departments. Standout batting performance to set this up, making 176.